Let's see if this A plus can be fixable. All they do is pop up Apple logo. Let me see, where is it now? All they do is it. Let me open it and check. Maybe battery, maybe phone camera, maybe the motherboard. That's the only thing. This is the only thing they're doing right now. Pop on and off the Apple logo. Oh, the crack's so bad. Test on the new battery. It still doesn't work. Now we're gonna test the front camera. Test with the new battery, new camera. Front is still not coming on. So probably the motherboard has damaged. So the last step we try is to restore them. But after you restore, if it still don't work, it means your motherboard is bad. So when you have the phone like this, keep playing on and off Apple. First, you try the battery. Second, you try the front camera. And the last step, you try to restore it. If all you done and the phone still working, so the phone is can be fixed.